Welcome to my channel again. We're growing as always. Today I'm going to tell you 5 plants that you can grow anywhere. Doesn't matter if that's on allotment, if this is on literally on your windowsill, in the pot, doesn't matter, it's going to grow. So stick around, I'm going to show you 5 lovely plants.
Wow, pokaż co tu masz.
Okay, so first up is radishes.
Go radish.
They can grow between 3 to 4 weeks.
Lovely.
Easy to grow, just sow them, water them, and they'll grow anywhere. In the pot, on allotment, in the garden, doesn't matter. They will grow, they'll be happy.
It's not big.
Number 2 is lettuce. Lettuce are best grown at home, and then you just replant them on your allotment or garden, or just leave them in the pot and cut as much as you need. Number 3 is courgettes, my favorite. They give loads of offspring, fruit. They grow anywhere, but they need loads of water and loads of sun, so make sure you've got that best place for them. They will definitely feed all your family. Number 4 is broad beans. Broad beans, easy to grow, same, just start at home for, I would say, 2 weeks. They'll be around 5 inches, then you can replant them when it's warm outside. They'll give you plenty as well. Just watch out for there's like black insects that are really annoying, and water everything down like I'm doing right now. Just water everything every 2 to 3 days, I would say, for the first 2 weeks. And number 5, I'm gonna say strawberries. They are easy to grow. You don't really need to water them, to be honest. Maybe even once a week, that's enough. And they will grow. Enough fruit for your kids or for yourself. Enjoy.